Welcome. In this video, we'll set up a modern automation workflow architecture. You'll learn how to run n8n inside a Docker container to build automation workflows, connect it to a PostgreSQL database for storing and managing your data, and use Ngrok to securely expose your local environment to the internet. This setup is perfect for developers and automation enthusiasts who want a clean, containerized environment for their projects. Here's the architecture we'll create. A client, browser, or API sends requests through the internet. Those requests reach our Docker host, where everything runs inside a dedicated Docker network. In this network, n8n runs on port 5678 and connects to a PostgreSQL database on port 5432. To make n8n accessible from anywhere, Ngrok provides a secure public URL. Inside Docker Desktop, you'll see 3 containers running, one for n8n, one for PostgreSQL, and one for Ngrok. Together, these containers form the complete automation workflow environment. Now, let's access n8n through the browser, using the Ngrok link. This gives us a secure, public entry point into our automation workflows. Next, let's open the PostgreSQL database in dbeaver. Here, we can run a query on the n8n. Use a table to confirm that our data is stored and managed correctly inside the database. And that's it. This is the software stack we'll be using throughout the course. Stay tuned for the next videos, where we'll dive deeper into building powerful automation step by step.